Hello there. Welcome back to Cost and Management Accounting at 5. In this video, I want to look at questions on multiple choice section. So this is the question that we have. So our question reads various options are given as possible answers to the following questions. Choose the answer and write only the letter A to D next to the question number. That is 1.1.1 up to 1.1.20 in the answer book. So for the first part, 1.1.1, the cost incurred for receiving an order from a client and delivering the finished goods to the client is known as. So you see that by receiving the order is part of an administration cost, and then if you go to the delivering now of the finished goods is now the selling cost. So you see that the correct answer that we have there is D, selling in the administration cost. So we go to the next one, which is 1.1.2, the total fixed cost dash, and would see that the total fixed costs remains constant even if there is a change in volume produced. So the correct answer that we have there is A, is concerned with the provision of information to. Obviously, if you look at the responses that we are having there, you'd see that it is provision of information to persons inside the company. Remember, management is for decision making within the organization. So it would be as the correct answer. Then we go to the next one, 1.1.4, financial accounting. And then we also have financial accounting, and we try to identify the correct answer that we have there. And we'll see that financial accounting, we know that it's all about the preparation of financial statements. And obviously, these financial statements are going to be audited at the end of the financial year, and then they come available to the external users. So you'll see that C is correct, which is saying provides information to external users. So we are going to indicate C as the correct answer. Then I will go to the 1.1.5. Rates and taxes paid to the municipalities are considered to be dash costs. So obviously they are going to be fixed costs. Remember, they do not change from a period to period. So we have fixed costs there. Then we try to move to the next page in terms of 1.1.6. So actually the formula I used to calculate the order points. So let's try to identify the correct that we have there, and see that the correct answer is C, maximum order period multiplied by maximum usage. So we've got C as the correct answer. 1.1.7, the FIFO method of stock valuation means that, remember, FIFO is first in, first out, that the first goods that are going to be bought are the first to be sold. So according to the responses that we have, 1.1.7, we have got B, the stock that is bought first will be issued first. Right? As simple as that. So we have got B here. Then we go to the next one, which is our 1.1.8. The transfer of finished goods from the factory will be recorded in the general ledger as follows. Remember, the goods are being transfer of finished goods from the factory will be recorded in the general ledger as follows. So you'd see that we are going to, obviously they're going to the finished goods. So we are going to table the finished goods control, table the finished goods control, and then we are going to credit a production control. So this is what we have. Remember, it is coming from the production. So I will credit a production control. So we've got A as the correct answer that we have there. Then we have a 1.1.9. Dash places less importance on accuracy and more on other aspects like monetary value. So we see that this is management. Management, and then the correct answer that we have there is D. Management accounting places less importance on accuracy and more on other aspects like monetary value. So this is what we have. So we've got D. That's correct answer. Then we go to 1.1.10. Which reads a prime production cost for stock. We know that is direct material plus direct labor. So we've got B is correct answer on 1.1.10. And then 1.1.11, let's try to see. Joy Designs were asked to manufacture a table to a customer's specifications. The costing for this order is known as our job costing. So 1.1.11, we have got job costing, which is B as the correct answer. So we have got B. Then we can move on to the next question that we have, which is now 1.1.12. The costs matched against revenues on a time period basis are called, we know that these are period costs, so we have got B as the correct answer here. Then 1.1.13, production costs are, and then we go through the responses that we have to see that are the costs involved in the manufacturing of a product. So obviously A. Then 1.1.14, Miss Vendor is paid according to piece rate system, and her wages are calculated as follows. So it is that we're going to say units produced multiplied by the rate per unit, obviously A. So we have A there as the correct answer. We move on to 1.1.50. Productivity is an important element in the running of a successful business, but lost time may occur for reasons such as machine breakdowns, bottlenecks, and lack of material. This time is known as, obviously, this is our idle time. We have got C. Then we go to 1.1.16. Rent of the factory is considered to be A. Obviously, this is a manufacturing overhead, so we got C there as the correct answer. You know that rent is not variable, so B automatically is out. Then go to 1.1.7. The following forms part of wage control. So when we are dealing with wage control, what is involved according to the responses that are given, you see that obviously we need to revisit the staff records so we can be able to determine wages that are being paid and be able to control them. So we have our staff records, which is D. Then we go to the next page whereby we go to 1.1.18. General ledger to record the under recovery for manufacturing overheads. We know that we are going to debit cost of sales and credit manufacturing overheads control. So basically we've got A. 1.1.19, the general ledger to record the over recovered. This one is under recovered on 1.1.18. The general ledger to record manufacturing overheads control recovered now. It is opposite, so just do the opposite. We debit now. The figure that we are supposed to debit there on 90 is B, manufacturing overheads, and then we credit cost of sales. So B, 1.1.20, working process means, remember, working process means that we haven't finished production the product, we haven't finished producing the product, so they are still being produced. So according to the responses that we are able there, we have got C as the correct answer, which still to be finished. So we have got C. We have got C. So this is what we have, guys, according to the multiple choice section of this question paper. Let's search for more typical examination questions to come. Let's subscribe and share. Let's share the link to our colleagues who are doing course in management accounting at 5. Yes, for this video, I'm signing out.